The shoulders and neck you draw in a figure could easily be the difference between it looking great or really unnatural and strange. I remember that I always used to draw shoulders that were horizontal without any slope, and I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong that made them look so stiff. This is the difference that it makes when the shoulders have a slope to them. This person on the right actually looks relaxed. To help you remember and replicate this look, think of this diamond shape made up by the collarbone, and these sections that I think of as the area that divides the neck and shoulders. This section is what creates the sloped look, and without it, there's no lead into the neck. This would be fine for cartoon styles, but on a realistic body, necks don't just suddenly stick out. One other thing I think I should point out is how the bumps of the shoulders and the collarbone sort of connect. Run your hand along your own collarbone, and feel how it goes up and connects to your shoulder. Now let's focus on the shape of the neck. It's not a perfect cylinder. There are indents that come down from below the ears and go inwards, towards each other. Between them is the throat. From the side it looks like this. Also, I've said this before, but notice how from the side, you can clearly see how the neck goes out forward from the body, not sticking straight up.